In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish a directory app on Lovable.dev using simple prompts. This walkthrough is perfect if you want a clean, searchable catalog of items with categories and detail pages, and you want to get it live fast without complex setup. Start on your computer by opening your web browser and heading to www.lovable.dev. On the home page, click Sign In. You can continue with Google, GitHub, or email. Choose the option you prefer and complete the quick sign-in flow. Once you're in, look for the option to start from a prompt. This lets you describe what you want in plain English, and Lovable will generate the app for you. Click inside the prompt box and type this exactly. Build a directory app with a list of items, categories, search bar, and detail pages. Press Enter to submit. Lovable will begin generating the app structure, including pages, components, and basic styling. Give it a minute to run. Generation times can vary, and you'll see progress as the preview updates. When it's ready, you should see a directory layout with a list of items, the ability to browse by category, a search field, and individual detail pages that open when you click an item. If the initial result doesn't include the directory list or the layout isn't quite what you expected, use the built-in chat to refine it. Click the chat box and type, "Add a directory layout with cards, category filters, and search." Press Enter. Lovable will update the project in place and refresh the preview. This is a great way to quickly iterate. Small, clear prompts usually yield the best results. Wait for the update to finish, then scan the preview again to confirm you have cards for each item, visible category filters, a working search bar, and functional detail pages. When you're happy with the result, it's time to make it live. Click Publish. A confirmation will appear so you can finalize the deployment. Click Confirm. Lovable will build and host your app for you, so there's nothing extra to configure. When the publish process completes, you'll see an app link. Copy that link and share it with your team, clients, or friends. Anyone with the link can open your directory in the browser immediately. And that's it. You've created and published a fully functional directory app from a simple prompt, refined it with a quick chat instruction, and shared it with a single link.